Hey everybody, welcome back to Small Plots with Kevin. I'm Kevin, and today we're back in the basement. I'm going to start setting up my camping loadout zone. Very excited about this. Bought this stuff, I've been buying some of this stuff over the past few weeks. I don't quite have everything, I'm not going to finish everything today. I'll probably show the final product at another time, but today I'm going to start. So you can see I'm in a basement. I mean, hopefully you assume this is a basement and not just like the first or second story of a building. That would be weird. But got a lot of camping gear that I need to organize, and that's kind of the purpose of the loadout zone. Is I'm going to use this wall over here and probably over these wooden beams. I have pegboards. I have a table. I'm going to put a carpet down. I have lighting. Probably other stuff that I forgot about too. I don't know. I ordered a lot of this stuff like 3 weeks or so ago. Just now getting around to doing something with it. So yeah, this should be a short fun video, guys. Don't forget, new episodes of Small Plots every Tuesday at 6:30 Eastern Standard Time. When this video drops, I will be gone on a 2-day camping trip, so look forward to that next week. But for now, for today, for this video, doing something a little simpler, doing something a little more low-key, something at home, something that I can still focus. It's busy times, busy days, so let's do it. Let's do the thing. Let's see how we can make this nice. Okay, I'm gonna apologize for this several times over the course of the video, I'm sure, but sorry for the mess. This is all, we moved in about a month and a half ago. The basement is the final frontier. Most of this is empty boxes and camping equipment and boxes from things we bought and all that sort of thing. So this is kind of step one of me getting this area in order with my camping equipment. So let's take a look at what I got here. Starting out, I'm going to start with some lighting. Let's get some nice lighting over there. These are Seaside Village pendant light cords. There's no actual bulbs on here, so that's why I had to get some actual bulbs. Oh, what do we got in here? Oh, we got pegs for the pegboard. Got some nice shelving units as well. Here's a table. This is like the most important part for me, is this table. Just for putting stuff on, so I don't have to sit on the ground and do it. And then behind that is the pegboard. Made in the USA! Look at this little shadow, look at this little shadow. Still haven't taken the green screen down. Don't know if I'm gonna. Might leave it up. Might need it for other things. This is actually, you can see how close this tripod is. This is actually farther away than what it was when I was filming. You gotta be right up close with these GoPros and the fisheye lens. I'll tell you what. I'll get this extension cord hooked up because there are no outlets here. And this is gonna be my outlets. And I'm gonna feed it through this little hole. Nope, not gonna do that. Feed it down through there. Perfect. I was planning this the whole time. Okay, that was relatively easy. It actually worked. I was kind of half expecting this to not reach, but it's pretty perfect. Just a couple outlets here. There's a plug on the wall over there. Just kind of fished it through. These are where the stairs go. Kind of just fished it through under the stairs. I envision this is kind of where I'll be putting the pegboards, just because this is where the wood is to put the pegboards on, to screw the pegboards in, and nail the pegboards in. Whatever I do. I don't even know if I have a freaking bunch of. I don't even know if I have screws. I guess let's get the table set up next. And then the lighting, just because I want something to put everything on. The table is paramount here. This is really all I need is a table. Really, this is a video of me setting up a table. That's the important part. That's the best part of the video. Incredible! It's incredible! It's absolutely incredible! And there you have a table! Okay, so here I am solving the problem of each leg has a peg, 2 pegs per side, and you have to press both pegs in at once while pulling the connected legs up. So, what I'm kind of doing, let me get this camera down here, is pushing the 2 sides in and just kind of moving it up Moving it up with my bald head. Last one. Let's go. Get in there. Get in there. Get in. Get it. There we go. Oh, perfect. Absolutely perfect. Here we go. Oh, look at those legs. Some fine legs. Those are some fine legs. Well, certainly not the sturdiest table in the world when you have the max height, but I need the max height. I'm a max height boy. It's actually not too bad once you have it up against the wall. It's not like I'm drawing on it or writing on it. It's a little wobbly. Not too bad. Hopefully I can do something like weight it or maybe it's just gonna be wobbly forever. That's a possibility as well. Okay, I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna do with the overhead lights that I have. Probably gonna have to put in a couple of painter's nails or something up there just to hang it, not a big deal. And connect it to the new power source. Already starting to look a little homier. Okay, so we have three loose lights that are gonna hang above at varying distances. They were nice enough to include some attachment pieces, so I'll probably be using those. And there are like little loops every so often on these corners. It looks like there's like a line, like a kind of a ridge line that runs across the top, and then out of the bottom of the loop is each little guy. Boy, I hope that's short enough. I hope that's short enough. I think it's pretty adjustable. I'm not too worried. I'm not too worried. So yeah, it's way too hard to film and figure this out at the same time, so I'm gonna finagle something going on up here. Already looks 1,000% better. Yeah, maybe like 950% better. Maybe it's 800% better. I'm calling it 800. This is 800% better already. Okay, we're making some fine progress here. So I've got those attached up there. Obviously these are a little low. Can't really have these dangling here. So I'm gonna. It came with these like fastening guys. I'm gonna nail one of these up there. You can kind of see like where you can like kind of put it through these little attachments here. Thought I'd put that phone on silent. Anyway, I'm gonna get that going. But first, it's first time opening up these light bulbs. These are enormous. I thought these were about half the size. So I mean, at least we're gonna get some good light. But good Lord, look at these freaking things. Old Edison bulbs. You know, I like ambient lighting. I like it to look nice. And this is kind of, I want to do more things down here for the video. So in a way, this is kind of like making like a mini set in a roundabout way. It's kind of a dual purpose where I'm going to store my camping equipment, where I'm going to load out for trips, and I'll film some occasional. I have a lot of ideas. A lot of ideas. Got the bulbs in. They're not adjusted just yet, but I got them in. Want to do the maiden voyage of light, the maiden light voyage. Here we are. I got the, it's like a little dimmer switch here. Pretty good. I can deal with that. Crank it. That's the brightest they go. Ooh, I can feel the heat. Ooh, good Lord. Electricity bill just went up by $24. Let's keep them dim. Looking pretty good. A little haphazard. All I really have are painter's nails to hang those with, so I mean, they're up there. They're up there anyway. They're not coming down unless you pull on them. Which, I mean, I'm not going to pull on them. Are you going to pull on them? Nobody better be pulling on these. Don't pull on them. While I was putting these lights up, I kind of noticed that there's some little screws in the wall here. They're kind of in like little plastic pieces. I may be able to screw these out and then screw them back in my pegboard. I'm gonna check this out. I haven't even opened the pegboard yet. I don't even know. I'm not sure what I'm working with yet in terms of that. But it might be suitable for these. There's a couple of them. There's a couple along the wall. Who knows? Maybe this is somebody else's old camping loadout zone area, and I'm just sort of redoing it, reinvigorating it, reinstituting it. or thinking about putting some, maybe, like I have a big old piece of cardboard to maybe put here if the pegboards don't work out. If not, I'll put the cardboard over here. But I'll have like stuff like maps. I have a ton of old like Adirondacks maps from like the 50s through 70s, things like that, that I think would make cool decorations. Here we are, making good progress. Mwah, mwah. Talk about luck. So here's my metal pegboard. All right, these screws on the wall are perfectly spaced to fit in the top two corners of this on this wall. Will that be enough to hold it? I don't know. I'm not putting anything too heavy on it, like, you know, rolled up tarps and things like that. All the heavier stuff won't be on the pegboard. Actually, the pegboard itself is probably the heaviest thing I'm putting on the pegboard. So I gotta unscrew one of these screws. I can kind of finagle the other one on, and it's done. We'll probably have to put the other one on the wood over there. I have two of them. If I need to. I don't really know. I've never used a pegboard before. I don't have any preconceived notions of what I'm going to do on it other than the aforementioned nothing too heavy. So that's kind of a lucky break. The other side has a screw, but there's only one. I don't think, yeah. I think it's just the one, so didn't luck out there. Okay, let's do it. That worked out delightfully. Check it out. I mean, it's on there. You can see the green screen reflected over there. It's only on the top, but it's on there. It's solid. I'm not planning on doing anything crazy with it. Like, you know, that would need for me to drill in 1, 2, 3, 4 extra guys in here. Looking good. Over here, I don't know if I'll be able to do it. It's so, the way the holes are on this for mounting are like, right, like I'd have to screw it kind of like right into the edge of the stud or the support, whatever, I don't know, whatever those are called. We'll see. I don't think today. What is the hello? I'm not gonna show that to the camera, but here's somebody's bank card. Somebody's platinum. All right. It's good. Whoa. This expired in 2001. This has been here for a minute. Remember, since 1998, Platinum Edition. Well, okay, I didn't expect to find that. That's interesting. Well, I've been finding so many crazy cool things in this tiny little corner. Screws that matched up perfectly. Some lady's life savings. Wow. Okay, so I've got all these pegs down here. Organized them according to type. And I'm going to go ahead and start putting stuff on here. I'm not really sure what I'm going to put on here. I still have a couple of shelves to set up for other stuff. I kind of want to separate my gear between stuff I use regularly and stuff I don't. So that'll probably be what goes up here, is regular use stuff. I've already tried it with the axe here. Wonderful. Works amazing. I don't know if that's where it's going to go, but it can if I want. So that's cool. I also kind of fastened the dimmer switch, whoa, and the outlet to the table there. When I say fastened, I mean literally just duct taped them there. There it goes. So similar to over here, kind of duct taped the cord away from the pegboard. So yeah, taking shape. I think next, actually, I'm going to set up the shelf. Or two. I have a couple shelves. One, I think, maybe is broken, and I'll just throw it out. But I'll set up at least one shelf and just start organizing this holy mess. I'm definitely not going to finish all this today, but I want to get everything at least set up so I can show you guys what it's kind of going to look like, and show myself kind of what it's going to look like as well. And then, I don't know. That's it. That's really it. That's the whole video. I put the shelves together. Now, this shelf right here, I've been taking around with me from apartment to apartment, from place to place for years. It's kind of been a junk shelf for a long time, but two of the plastic connecty screwy things came off this time. Was still able to put it together. Then you have like weird stuff like that. It's just not connected. I don't know how good that's coming in. Just not really connected. Good enough for my purposes. And then this one over here was actually the one I thought was going to be broken, and it turns out I could just easily, the bottom part was broken off. I just popped it back on. So now I have two non-heavy duty shelving units here for some smaller things that wouldn't fit on the pegboard or on the ground or whatever. It's I'm starting to get pumped, and I'm excited to see what this looks like all together and good. Okay, that's probably good for today. I still have a lot more I have to do. Most of it is sifting through camping equipment, which I'm probably going to get rid of a lot of. Maybe I'll do a little giveaway. Maybe I'll do a little giveaway here, on the channel. I guess I'll go over everything that I have set up with some cheesy generic vlog music. And... Well, wasn't that just delightful? That's about all for today. I will do like a little mini update at some point, probably show the whole thing. Who knows? I have a couple ideas. Couple ideas for some things you haven't seen on this channel or any other channel. We'll see. We'll see how it works out. I don't want to give too much away. Sometimes ideas don't pan out, and sometimes when you do the idea and you're in the middle of it, you're like, wow, this sucks. I'm not going to do that. So we'll see. We'll see. But thanks for watching, everybody. This has been Small Plots with Kevin. I'm Kevin. Don't forget, new episodes of Small Plots every Tuesday at 6:30 Eastern Standard Time. I live on the East Coast in the US, so everything I say is going to be in Eastern Standard Time. So 6:30 p.m. Tuesday. EST, baby. All right, well, thanks for watching to the end, everybody, and I'll catch you on that nexty. See ya. Gonna see you later.